Hey guys, this is going to be your word problem in your 180 Days of Math video for Monday, September the 14th. Today we are going to do Lesson 6 word problem. Lesson 5 word problem we're going to skip and come back to, okay? So I just want you to turn to Lesson 6. Make sure yours matches mine. Remember I said the first thing that we're going to do is put our date. So we're going to put 9/14/20. Okay? All right, we're going to use our RDW strategy. Okay? This one is going to take us a little bit of time because we have more than one person we're talking about. All right? So we're going to go sentence by sentence. We're going to read and we're going to draw. Miss Suggs, that's so much. It's not. You've got it. You're a super number detective. Let's read sentence number 1 together. Put your pencil on Tom. Now remember, at any time you can pause the video if you need to work. Tom has 4 red cars and 3 green cars. Who are we talking about? You said Tom. You are correct. Underline Tom. Okay. What does Tom have? Tom has cars. That's right. Okay, but the sentence told us something about the cars. What did they tell us about the cars? You said color. You are correct. So I want you to go and make sure you underline red and green so that you know you have 2 different kind of cars. Okay, how many cars did Tom have? Well, he had 2 sets of cars. So he had 4 red cars, put your circle around it, and 3 green cars. Okay, let's stop right there. That's a lot of information to take in. So let's go ahead and draw our picture. Now you'll notice down here, Miss Suggs has already given you Tom's name. So find Tom's name. Now look, I'm going to teach you something. This is called the bring it down. You're going to look here and you're going to bring it straight down. Does that word match that word? Yes, it does. So go ahead and trace Tom. We're going to go ahead and do his drawing now. Okay. Now, what's the first thing he had? 4 red cars. Okay, when you're drawing, I want you to do your first part of your drawing always with open circles, squares, or triangles. So I like to do circles because they're quick and easy. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Remember, we always have to label to tell how many we see. So we see 4. But Tom also has what? 3 green cars. Okay, so we're going to go here. And now underneath, to keep it organized, we're going to do 1, 2, 3 colored in dots. Okay, we always do our colored in dots second because that lets us know how many we added on. Okay, pause your video until yours looks like mine. Now you're ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3, put your label. So he had 4 and he had 3. Okay. So now let's go back up and we're going to read about something else. Another friend. Dave has 5 red cars and 2 green cars. Who are we talking about now, guys? Dave. Good job. All right, and what does Dave have? Hope you're saying cars, Miss Suggs. He has cars. Good. Does he have colored cars? Check it out. Yes, he does. He has red cars and he has green cars. Now listen to my question. How many cars does he have? If you're saying 5 and 2, you are correct. Okay, now, that's a lot for my brain. So I'm going to go down here and start drawing. What do I need to do first? Hope you're saying draw 5. Good. Am I going to use closed circles or open? Hope you're saying open. You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me that nice straight line, just like a 10 frame that we practiced in our video earlier today. Okay, what am I missing here? My label, that's right, 5. Okay. Now, what else did Dave have? He had 2 green cars. So we're going to add on 2 by using our colored in dots. Good job. Okay. Now don't forget to label your dots. All right, now let's go see what we have to do as number detectives. We need to find our question. Use your brain and first circle the question mark. That's exactly what we're supposed to do. Okay, it says, Dave thinks he has more cars than Tom has. Is Dave right? Well, let's look at our picture. How could we figure out if Dave has more cars than Tom? Miss Suggs, we could fill in our number bond. You're right. Okay, so open circles and closed circles each show a part. Okay? And remember, these are your parts of your number bond. So I'm going to use that bring it down tool again. 4, bring it down. 3, bring it down. Now I need to find my what? Whole or total. I'm going to write this here so you can remember your total. How am I going to find my total? Well, I'm going to teach you something about the number bond. Okay? 4 and 3 go together to make the total. It's just like a number sentence. So if you need to put a little plus sign right there to help your brain remember, you can do that. Miss Suggs loves to do that. 4 plus 3 equals how much? How are we going to figure that out? Okay, if you're saying count your dots, you're right. Okay, so I want you to see something. This says 4. Okay, so I want you to say 4, 5, 6, 7. Your total is 7. Tom has 7 cars. Now we've got to go figure out how many Dave has. Okay, so we want to use that bring it down tool. Bring down our 5, one of our parts. Okay, bring down our 2, one of our parts. Okay, now remember you can put that secret plus sign to help you. 5 plus 2 is going to give us how much? Well, let's use our count on. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now, pause until you are ready. When you're ready, you can unpause the video. Okay, it says Dave thinks he has more than Tom. Does he have more than Tom? No way, Jose. They have the same amount. They both have 7 cars. So if you said Dave is not right, you are correct. Now, don't forget that you need to write and trace Dave's name. Okay? And for a little extra, if you feel like you can do a little extra for Miss Suggs, can you write a number sentence with your number bond? Just do it right up here. 4 plus 3 equals 7. And this one, you could do 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay, you've read, you've drawn, you've written. You've completed your word problem for the day. Now you're ready to go to your lesson video, parts of 7, 8, and 9. Have a great lesson.